What's up everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to get the browser version. So let's actually get started. First thing I actually want to do is actually create a method for whatever I did last time, and last time I actually found how to do the browser name, how to find the browser name. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to write public string, and what am I going to call it? Get browser name. And I'm going to actually copy this function and put it over there. And then at the end of it, I will return the browser name. And let me actually delete this system printout. So it'll be something like that. So this method will actually return the browser name to here so I can use it somewhere else. So let's get rid of this part and keep the capability part, and let's get to the point of this tutorial, which is getting the version. So if I want to get the version, it's pretty simple. All you have to do, write string, and then I'm going to call it browser version equal to cap dot get version right there to string. And then I'll do a system.printout to actually get me what's the version of this browser. And let me just write a useful statement. The version of this browser is something. Alright, so if I save it and run it, it'll launch my website, and then it will tell you what kind of version your Chrome is. So that's like right there. So you're probably wondering why I made this function right here, because I didn't really use it, right? You will use it if you're using Firefox or Edge, because this will not work on Firefox or Edge, because whenever this function triggers, it looks for a capability that is called version. But in Firefox and Edge is actually not called version, it's called browser version. And that messed up a lot of things. So the browsers couldn't actually get along together and sit and decide, let's call it one name. They actually didn't do that. Everybody did it on their own, and that's why we'll have to use two different functions if you're using the same code on different browsers. So if you're using, let's say, Firefox and Edge, you'll have to write an if statement for Firefox. So let me actually show you. I'm not going to write the if statement, but I will show you actually how you can actually get it to work for Firefox. So if you're doing for Firefox, what I would do, or you know what, let me write the if statement. That's fine. So if I write if, and let me actually create an object, so hello, and then I'm going to call it browser equal to new hello, like that. And then I will write browser if browser dot get browser name that equals to Firefox, like this. I want you to do something else, which is the function that I'm going to write right now. And let me actually copy this browser version, so because that string is going to be used twice. So I'm going to do that like this, and then the system printout will actually do for whatever browser version that will pop up, and I'll have to make this null to initialize it. Alright, so let's actually write the function that will work for Firefox, and that would be browser version equal to capability dot get capability, and then you, instead of writing version, which is Chrome uses and Safari uses as well, I will actually write browser version. So another way of writing this is actually writing just version in here, and then write toString and then put a semicolon. So this function will actually work on Firefox, and it will also work on Edge if you replace this with Edge, like that. So what you could also do is, if you planning to use all the browsers, you can just do this, which means or, and then write Firefox. So this function will actually work on all your browsers, meaning Safari, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Edge, and IE as well. So this is the functions for all of them to get your browser version. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.